Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring the best outdoor griddles to take your barbecue game to the next level. Perfect for cooking everything from burgers to pancakes, these griddles bring versatility, durability, and even heat distribution to your backyard cookouts. We'll review the top models, their standout features, and why they're must-haves for grill enthusiasts. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to elevate your outdoor cooking experience, let's get started. Number 5. Char-Broil Edge Electric Grill. For grill enthusiasts seeking a modern, hassle-free experience, the Char-Broil Edge Electric Grill delivers. With its sleek stainless steel design and cutting-edge features, this electric grill redefines outdoor cooking without the fuss of gas or charcoal. Convenience meets power. The Edge is all about simplicity and efficiency. Plug it in and you're ready to cook. From a casual backyard gathering to an urban balcony cookout, its electric design makes it a versatile choice for any setting. What sets this grill apart is its impressive temperature range. Whether you're slow cooking ribs at 200 degrees Fahrenheit or searing steak at a sizzling 700 degrees Fahrenheit, the Edge has you covered. And with a quick preheat time, reaching 500 degrees Fahrenheit in under 15 minutes, you'll spend less time waiting and more time grilling. Smart features, effortless control. Number 4. Razor Outdoor Steel Burner Griddle. If outdoor cooking is your passion, the Razor 37-inch Outdoor Steel 4-burner propane gas griddle is here to revolutionize your grilling experience. Built for versatility and power, this griddle is ideal for backyard BBQs, tailgating adventures, or even a casual weekend brunch. Cook for the whole crew. With its 37-inch surface, this griddle offers ample cooking space. Whether you're flipping 57 burgers, sizzling 46 pancakes, or grilling 27 steaks, it's perfect for feeding a crowd. From breakfast to dinner, this griddle handles it all with ease. Precision cooking at your fingertips. The 4 adjustable burners give you complete control over your heat zones, ensuring every dish is cooked to perfection. Number 3. Camp Chef Portable Flat Top Grill. The Camp Chef Portable Flat Top Grill 600 is the ultimate companion for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Whether you're hosting a family barbecue, tailgating, or camping, this versatile grill delivers exceptional performance, portability, and convenience. A flat top for every occasion. Featuring a generous 604 square inch cooking surface, this grill is built to handle meals for any crowd. From fluffy pancakes and crispy hash browns at breakfast to juicy burgers and sizzling hot dogs at dinner, the pre-seasoned, non-stick surface ensures consistent results and effortless cooking every time. Built for versatility, the Camp Chef Flat Top Grill is designed to adapt to your needs. Number 2. Blackstone Original 4-burner Griddle. When it comes to outdoor cooking, the Blackstone Original 4-burner 36-inch propane omnivore griddle stands out as a true champion. Combining innovative design, versatility, and convenience, this griddle transforms any backyard barbecue or tailgating session into a culinary event. Superior cooking performance. At the heart of this griddle is the patented omnivore griddle plate. With built-in wind guards, it heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly across its 768 square inch cooktop surface. Number 1. Traeger Flatrock Griddle. The Traeger Flatrock 33-inch flat top gas griddle is more than just a grill. It's an outdoor cooking innovation. As Traeger's first propane-powered griddle, it's designed to expand your culinary horizons with premium features, exceptional versatility, and reliable performance. Explore endless possibilities. With the Flatrock griddle, you can cook it all, from breakfast classics to seared steaks and stir-fries. Its True Zone temperature control system boasts 3 separate, insulated cooking zones, letting you prepare multiple dishes at once without mixing flavors or temperatures. Exceptional heat efficiency. Equipped with a triple U burner design, this griddle delivers twice the burner-to-cooktop coverage compared to standard models. Combined with flame lock construction, it retains heat effectively and blocks wind, ensuring consistent cooking results while using less propane. Smart features for hassle-free cooking. The Flatrock griddle isn't just powerful, it's intuitive. The fuel gauge keeps you informed about propane levels, so you're never caught off guard. Cleanup is equally stress-free, thanks to a front-left grease trap that makes scraping and disposing of food debris a breeze. Built for convenience. With 2 17-inch folding side shelves, you get ample prep space without sacrificing portability. The shelves fold down neatly when space is limited, making this griddle adaptable to any setting. Plus, the Pop and Lock accessory rail allows you to customize your setup with Traeger's modular accessories. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video.